Hello ladies and gents, if you've missed on Ethereum, Solana, Sui, TRX and other cool L1s and L2s that went absolutely nuclear in the early days, then I bring you the alpha. As Rockefeller said,
the way to make money is to buy when blood is running in the streets.
Although there is still some sell pressure from private investors, it seems to have bottomed, and from now on the sky is the limit. Aside from buying so cheap that it feels more like looting, what's so special about Supra? I mean, we already have many L1s and L2s. Glad you asked. I had ChatGPT make a comparison table on block finality. If you've used Supra, you know it's fast, like supersonic fast. Finality is needed for mainstream and Wall Street adoption. The faster you execute, the more profit you make. The faster you are, the more of a competitive edge you have over others. Furthermore, Supra is bridging natively to EVM, allowing F and EVM liquidity to flow in. Other big features that really set it apart are consistency under load, cross-chain support and integrated Oracle services. These eliminate the need for bridging layers that slow other chains down. And here's the punchline. Such performance is enabling a new era of DeFi. And this is where AutoFi comes in with Solido. Think DeFi and AI with lightning fast performance. So now let's talk about Celido. Celido is the main DeFi protocol in the Supra ecosystem. Over time, Celido will become the base layer of liquidity automation on Supra and serve as the backbone of Supra's AutoFi stack. A more technical explanation is as follows. AI-powered DeFi engine that turns passive crypto assets into productive capital. Whether you are staking, borrowing or farming, Celido replaces active management with intelligent, automated financial flows driven by code and real-time market signals. But let's hit the nail on the head. What is AutoFi and how exactly does it power the Celido flow? AutoFi is Supra's automation layer that handles validator delegation, reward harvesting, rebalancing, and claim queue logistics. You know, all the stuff that we're used to doing ourselves. It runs in the background and ensures your Supra is staked efficiently without any manual actions needed from you. Think of it as switching from a manual car to an automatic. You enjoy the ride and let the car think about switching gears. AutoFi operates entirely behind the scenes. When you stake or unstake Supra via Flow, AutoFi takes care of all the validator level mechanics, claim queue and rebalancing automatically. It dynamically distributes stake across top performing validators to maximize rewards and reduce slashing risk. Just enjoy the ride, let the protocol work its magic. The main three products of Celido are Flow, Cash and Grow. With Flow you can unlock liquidity on staked Supra, so just stake Supra and validate rewards and receive ST Supra, a liquid staking token. What makes Celido Flow different from basic staking? Well, unlike traditional staking where your tokens are locked and idle, with ST Supra remains liquid while still earning rewards. This enables you to use your stake in other DeFi strategies simultaneously. In other words, getting more bang for your bucks. The second product is Cash. You can borrow against crypto without interest, a decentralized borrowing protocol where users deposit cryptocurrencies and yield-bearing assets to borrow interest-free cash, a USD-pegged stablecoin on Supra. No interest. You might think, okay, but how does Celido make money? Well, instead of variable interest, you just pay a one-time fee. Predictability is a big factor when it comes to managing money. And the third product is called Grow. Celido's yield accrual system lets users deposit cash and mint Bcash, a yield-bearing token that earns rewards while keeping assets liquid and functional. If you watched this far, then you are one of the few lucky ones who is in the know about Celido just before TGE. I'm currently accumulating and staking Supra. Solido is looking very promising, and if you want to stay in the know of further developments, subscribe for more exclusive content. And I will leave you with a very simple tutorial. Alright, let's have a quick and simple walkthrough as to how to use Celido. First things first, go to supra.com and click download now to download the official wallet for Supra, which is Starkey. After which, if you go to celido.money and click on launch app, your Starkey wallet should connect right away. As you can see here, this is one of my video wallets that I use as an example. Now what we are interested in is mint cash. We will open a trove, see details, and I'm gonna, instead of 100%, I want to leave a few coins for transaction fees. So I will stake 15.6k Supra. So all we do is just press update trove. You can't see this because I have a really wide monitor, but your Starkey wallet will come up with a prompt for you to click confirm. You click confirm and it's going to do its thing and stake your coins. With AutoFi, it's going to find a way to delegate and do all the background work for you. That's it, it's done. Now what we can do is actually borrow some cash. So I can borrow up to $75.4, but that will kind of put me in the red. It's very risky. In case the price of Supra coins goes down, I can get liquidated, so I don't want to do that. So just for this example, I'll say I want to borrow $2.25.40, which will bring me to a loan to value ratio of 27%. I'm going to click update trove. Once again, the Starkey wallet will come up with a prompt for me to confirm this transaction. I'm going to press confirm, and once again AutoFi will do its thing and trove updated successfully. And I can stake the cash because remember, we staked some Supra coins, and because we staked some Supra coins, we were able to mint some cash. And now I want to stake the cash that I borrowed, $25.40, to actually gain B cash. And over time, as more and more people stake, the value of B cash will actually be higher compared to actual cash. In other words, one B cash will be worth more. The current APY is estimated from past 30 days performance is 45%, but once again, as more people stake, this will go down. So we're gonna stake this. Once again, the Starkey wallet will ask me to confirm this transaction, which I will, and now it's all done. So what we did here is we staked some Supra and we minted some cash, the stable coin on Supra, and then we staked the cash because we want to get some passive income. This is just a very simple overview of the possibilities. There will be more functions and other strategies to compound your holdings.